Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right. So today we're going to look at some very nice diminished movements, passing chord movements in the key of C. So it goes like this. So you can use this to back up a preacher, also start the intro of a song. So now let's look at them. So what's the starting point? The starting point, we are starting from E flat diminished 7 chord. So and then we are doing the drop 2 technique. So we have normally E flat diminished 7 chord has E flat, G flat, A, and C. But now because there's a drop 2 technique here, we're gonna have the A on the left. So the A will be brought to the left. So we have so on the left hand we have the A, on the right hand we have E flat, G flat, and C. So we have first position. The second position we're gonna have G flat on the left hand, G flat on the left hand. On the right hand we have C, E flat, and A. Then one more before so we are flying now. Then we'll actually move to another position. So the next one we have E flat on the left hand. We have A, C, and G flat on the right. So then we'll come down to C major triad. So still on drop 2 to C major triad again. The second inversion still on drop 2 to G sus2 with the add third. So that's B on the left, G, A, and D on the right. Then, so we have a pa 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 pa. So G again, the G this time the second inversion of G, which is D, G, B. And then we have we drop 2. The G is going to be on the left. There. So we end on this chord. We have this is F major 7. 1. The third inversion of F major 7 chord, which is E, F, A, and C. So you're gonna send the A back to the left. So we have and then you can run your arpeggio. So one more time we have a pa 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 pa. So you should check the about section of the channel to access my seller link to check some of my other courses that I have on seller. All right, God bless you. Bye.